In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can share someone else's story on your own story on Instagram. Let me show you. Very easy, guys. Unfortunately, the TikTok didn't build up a function where you can do this directly. You gotta go around by a small shortcut that I recently invented. Very easy, guys, very simple. Let's find a story that we wanna repost first. Let's say we wanna repost this story over here, okay? The first thing that we wanna do is to screenshot the story as is. As you can see over here, we just screenshotted the story. Now we're going to resize the screenshot to be absolutely perfect and legitimate as the original one when we publish it. Then you want to download the picture. Then you want to go back, you want to refresh your feed, and then you want to click on the upper left side on the plus sign and create a brand new story. We're going to select the image that we found. Then we're going to pinch out, making it look absolutely as the original one. Additional thing that you can do, you can click on the text button on top and you can click on the lower left mentions and you can essentially mention the account that we took the video from. As you can see, cultural mark, boom, we can put it here, we can put it here, we can put it wherever you want. Okay, this is how simple it is, and this is how it works. Very smart. We're going around the Instagram algorithm and Instagram layout. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.